I caught my dad doing this on my Ring camera. When I was a kid, I had a major obsession with bunnies. I adored them and was always jealous of friends who had them as pets. I begged my dad to get me one, but he always said, "You won't take care of it. We're not getting one." I eventually gave up on the idea, but when I finally moved out and got my own place, the first thing I did was adopt a bunny. I named her Fluffy, and she quickly became my tiny little friend. At my house, I have a few security cameras to keep an eye on my bunny while I'm at work or on vacation. One day, my dad, who's in his 50s and pretends not to like pets, came over to visit while I was out. He went into my room and, to my surprise, started calling my bunny over. I watched as he crouched down, saying,
"I'm not going to hurt you. I just want to see how fluffy you are."
He spent a good hour trying to persuade her to come over, and I couldn't help but chuckle. Just as he said it again, I spoke through the camera, saying, "She's very fluffy, Dad." He jumped, completely startled, and looked around the room like he'd seen a ghost. I still got that footage saved, and it's one of my favorite family memories. If you love your dad and would like more videos like these, subscribe.